Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll explore two simple yet amazing recipes with soy milk which only requires few ingredients. So if you're excited for this video, let's get right into it. The first recipe is a soy milk smoothie which is refreshing and can be twisted to your taste. For this, I'll be using papaya, bananas and some frozen pineapples. You can use fresh ones as well, and also some soy milk. So in a blender, add in your nicely sliced fruits and to that, the soy milk. Blend for about a minute or until everything is mixed together and smooth. The list of all the ingredients and measurements will be provided in the description box, so do well to check it out. Once that is done, pour this goodness into a cup, serve and enjoy. This smoothie is protein packed, simple, and simply delicious. I literally couldn't stop drinking. You understand this when you try it out. The next recipe is a 3-ingredient soy milk ice cream. All you need are some dates. Make sure to take out the seeds from them. Flavor of your choice. So here I'll be using vanilla flavor. And the star ingredient, which is soy milk. First, we are going to soak these dates in a portion of the soy milk to soften them up and make blending easier. These dates are already soft, so I allow this stand for about an hour. But if you happen to use firm dates, you'd have to soak this longer than that. Make sure to keep this in the refrigerator when soaking for longer hours. So this is after an hour. I'm going to transfer the soaked date into the blender, add in the remaining milk, blend that for a while, and add in the flavor. Now blend for a few seconds to mix properly, and that'll be it. Next, pour this into the ice cream mold. Make sure you leave enough space for expansion and all that. If you are still watching at this point, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Once you have that in, level the surface by shaking for a while. To keep these from attracting any odor from the refrigerator, I'm going to cover the surface with some cling film. You can also use aluminium foil in place of that. Cut these into small square sizes and cover each cup with it. Then poke a hole in the middle with a knife and insert the ice cream sticks. Here I'll be using these traditional sticks, which are used for ice creams and several other purposes. Finally, take these into the freezer for about 6 to 8 hours to firm up. I happen to leave mine overnight. So this is the next day and these have frozen so well. Remove the film on the surface and leave these for a while to soften up and make sliding out of the mold easier. For a quick result, leave them in a bowl of water for a few seconds. If you're looking for something different, then this is it here. Try it out and let me know your thoughts. I hope these recipes were helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.